Uses of a or an. First, a or an is used when it is mentioning someone or something, single countable noun, for the first time. I saw a man on the street. An old lady came to our house. Second, a or an is used to indicate a unit. 100 centimeters makes a meter. An ounce is enough. Third, a or an is used in the sense of one like to make a proper noun a common noun. He thinks he is a Rabindranath. A Daniel has come to judgment. He seems to be an Indian. Fourth, a or an is used before an unknown name or surname. A Jatin Babu called on you. A Mr. Sen came to see you. An Iqbal came here to collect the news. Fifth, a or an is used in the sense of the same. Birds of a feather flock together. Sixth, a or an is used to denote profession, trade, class, etc. He is a businessman. He is an engineer. He is a lawyer. Seventh, a is used before dozen, 100, 1,000, million, etc. Here are a dozen of bananas. 100 boys came out from school. Eighth, a or an is used in the sense of each or per. He earns 1,000 rupees a month. He drives the car at 50 kilometers an hour. Ninth, a or an, also the, is used to indicate a class as a whole. A or the cow has horns. That is, all cows have horns. 10th, a or an is used before some words and phrases. I have a headache. I am in a hurry. He had a bad cold. She had a cough. They take an interest in this. 11th, a or an is used in exclamatory sentences beginning with what. What a pity. What a pretty girl. What a nice bird it is. What an awful remark. 12th, a and not the is used before the superlative most when it means very. He saw a most wonderful sight. 13th, a or an is used before few, little, lot of, good deal, great many, good many, etc., and sometimes after many. Here is a lot of books. There's a little honey in the bottle. Definite article the. It is the same for singular and plural numbers and for all genders. It is pronounced as the when in front of a consonant sound and is pronounced as the when in front of a vowel sound. Example, the flower, the ink pot. The definite article the is used 1. To indicate a particular person or persons, or thing or things. Look at the boy or boys. 2. Before a noun which has become definite by being mentioned a second time. There is a tree in the garden. The tree is an oak tree. 3. Before a noun made definite by the addition of a phrase or clause. The girl with the white skirt is beautiful. 4. Before a singular noun meant to represent a whole class. It is called Generalizing the. The cow is a useful animal. The dog is a faithful animal. Note: two nouns, man and woman, used to denote the whole class never have an article. Man is mortal. Woman is man's mate. 5. Before an uncountable noun to particularize it. The gold of the ring is very bright. 6. Before a name of a thing which is only one in nature. Look at the moon. The sun shines in the sky. As moon and sun are only one in universe. 7. Before a noun denoting nation or race. The English are industrious. 8. Before a name of road, but not before a name of street or avenue. The bus is running on the circular road. The book is brought from MG Street. 9. Before some nouns to indicate profession. He joined the bar. He joined the church. 10. Before the name of a musical instrument when one plays it, otherwise not. He plays the flute. 11. Before ordinal numbers. Who is the first or the second boy? 12. As a general rule, a proper noun should not have any article before it, but some proper nouns take the before them as exceptions. Before the names of holy books, newspapers, ships, trains, aeroplanes, spacecrafts, famous buildings, rivers, seas, oceans, gulfs, mountain ranges, groups of islands, deserts, and directions. A. Name of holy books, the Bible, the Quran, the Ramayana. B. Names of rivers, the Ganga, the Jamuna, the Danube. 13. Before the names of a province having a descriptive geographical meaning. The Punjab, the Deccan. 14. Before the names of countries which are collectively formed. The USA, the United States of America, the UK, the United Kingdom, but not before India, England, America, etc. 15. Before the plural name of families. The Boses are familiar with the Browns. 16. Before proper nouns for comparison to denote a type. Rabindranath is the Shakespeare of India in literary qualities. 17. Before a proper noun when it is qualified by an adjective or adjectival phrases or clauses. The great Caesar, the immortal poet Kalidas. 18. Before some common nouns and adjectives to express an abstract sense. Check the beast, meaning beastly passion, in you. Do not play the fool, meaning foolishness. 19. Before adjectives to denote a particular part of a thing. I like the yellow of an egg. 20. Before a common noun as a substitute for the possessive adjective. He caught me by the arm. The here means my. 21. Before an adjective to represent a whole class of persons. The rich means rich men are not always happy. The poor means poor men are not always dishonest. 22. Before the adjectives in superlative degree and the words in the superlative sense. He is the best boy in the class. She is the most beautiful girl. 23. Before comparatives as adverbs. The sooner, the better, the more, the merrier. Subscribe to my channel. Click on bell icon to get notification about new video.